Alright, we get over the roof POV. Okay, that's terrifying. I don't want to know my Dude, it sounds so funny.
I know, dude. Like, it's perfect. Am I gonna make it?
Oh, I don't know. All that, 55.
Yeah, I know. That's why it's fun. I'm tempted to do I want a turbo or not because it's just fun as it is. And like you can just beat on it and go nuts and you won't die.
Probably.
But I can set up boost by gear, so whatever.
Does your ECU support it?
Yeah.
Wait, the Miata knows what gear you're in?
I'll figure that out.
I don't think it does, but
You can set it up. I don't know how exactly.
it might have a signal in.
It's a good question. I didn't think of that.
It has
It might take the speed.
I was gonna say, yeah.
I'm still not sure.